am your father.
Was that funny? Or,
yeah, that was funny.
Okay.
That's my son's brand new welding. Thank you. Hold it. That's my son's new welding helmet thing. What do you call it? Mask.
The welding helmet.
Yeah, that he bought.
It's auto darkening welding helmet.
Auto darkening. Turn it around and show the inside. It's got a computer inside of it. Can you see it? It's got a it's too dark, you can't see it, but it's got a computer inside of it. It's really cool. So, that's my son's new welding mask.
I'll just turn it on now.
Okay.
What do you do?
Push the button underneath. Stop narration.